Have you ever wanted to turn your photo into a hand-drawn pencil sketch, the kind you'd see in manga backgrounds or gritty graphic posters, all in under 1 minute? First, drag your image into Photoshop and set up your composition. Move things around until it feels just right. The better the base, the better the sketch. Now, head over to the top menu. Filter, Stylize, Find Edges. Boom! Instant line work. But hold on, it still looks a bit messy because of all the colors, right? Let's clean that up. Add a black and white adjustment layer to strip the colors, then toss in a levels adjustment to dial in those shadows and highlights. I'm tweaking mine just a bit, aiming for bold lines without too much noise. All right, it looks like a proper pencil sketch now, but the white background is still there. So here's the trick. Select everything, right-click, and convert it into a smart object. Double-click to open that smart object, then hit Remove Background. Photoshop will do its thing, but sometimes it erases parts you want to keep. No stress. Just select the layer mask, grab a white brush, and paint back the missing areas. And there you go, a clean pencil sketch with a transparent background, ready to be used anywhere. Want to turn it into a cool poster? Add some textures, drop in a few elements, and let your creativity go wild. If this quick tip helped, smash that subscribe button. I've got tons more coming your way. And hey, if you've got questions or you're stuck somewhere, drop it in the comments. I read everything and I'm here to help. Catch you in the next video.